How to set background image in Google Sheets. There are a few limitations since in your spreadsheet, there isn't really a set background or set images sheet background kind of tool, but you do have a few alternatives. The first thing you can do is it being directly inside the spreadsheet. You can go ahead and press an insert, which are insert image over cells or insert image in cell. Although these options you won't be able to add text since it's over the cell itself. And for this one, the image is basically taken over the cell itself, and again you won't be able to put a text. But another alternative is to go ahead to Google Docs. Here you're gonna go ahead and insert an image. So it should be simple to do since Google Docs is basically free. You go ahead and choose whichever image you want. In our case, we're gonna go for this one, and then we're gonna have to decrease the opacity so we can still see the text later on. So right click and then go to image options, go to adjustments and change the opacity to something you prefer. Just make sure it's not that clear, I suppose, something like 60. So once you have that set, what you're gonna do now is to click on the image, right click and press on copy. Go back to your spreadsheet and then go ahead and press an insert, choose the drawing option, and then you're gonna paste in the new drawing or the image. So to do that, you can go ahead and right click and press on paste. You can then change the image over here. Like, you can crop it, you can edit it, you can even add a text box, but you save it and close and it should just appear directly in your spreadsheets. So you can move it wherever you want, you can still resize it from here, and then that's pretty much it. You can still see the text of the image, say hello, and there it is. So that's some options you can try if you want to set the background image in Google Sheets. So hopefully this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.